What if I told you there's a galaxy standing guard at the very edge of our cosmic neighborhood, a lonely spiral cut off from the crowd watching over the Milky Way? This is NGC 6503, the so-called Lost in Space galaxy. Discovered back in 1854, NGC 6503 isn't bright. With a magnitude of just 10.2, it looks like a faint smudge even through decent amateur telescopes. For a long time, astronomers didn't think much of it. But once Hubble imaged it, this little smudge turned into something extraordinary. NGC 6503 is about 18 million light-years away, just beyond the local group. It's smaller than the Milky Way, but at 30,000 light-years across, it's no dwarf either. In fact, it looks a lot like the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, in both size and structure. Here's where it gets fascinating. Our universe is structured like cosmic foam, with galaxies clumped together along thin filaments and enormous empty regions called voids in between. NGC 6503 sits right at the boundary of the local void. Beyond it stretches hundreds of millions of light-years of almost complete emptiness. It's the last major galaxy in this direction. After it, there's nothing. Despite its nickname, NGC 6503 isn't completely alone. It has a tiny satellite galaxy, KK242, with only about 3 million solar masses, comparable to a globular cluster. What's more, astronomers discovered that its gas envelope is much larger than its visible disk. This means it has huge star-forming potential, just waiting for the right trigger. Unlike the Milky Way or Andromeda, which constantly stir up their neighbors, NGC 6503 has lived in isolation, untouched, like a sleeping princess. And maybe it's finally stirring. Recent observations suggest its nucleus shows activity, hinting that NGC 6503 may be developing into a Seyfert galaxy, with an active, hungry black hole at its center, a lonely outpost on the edge of the cosmic void, but far from dead. NGC 6503 is a cosmic sentinel, standing guard at the boundary between galaxies and nothingness, a reminder that even in the loneliest corners of the universe, galaxies can still shine.